We were finally heading to Cape Coast. The drive is about 3 hours approximately, but we took a wrong turn. We ended up on a dusty road with lots of potholes, so we had to go extra, extra slow. Then we realized we didn't see any buses. And there's so many tourist buses heading to Cape Coast.
The hustle and bustle. So what surprises me? Where are the buses that will go? Are the buses also coming this way?
Well, they probably went earlier.
Oh, well, you know what we should have done? We should have come this way. No, oh, actually, you see, there's another one. Why do you think we will not be able to do everything? Tomorrow we have a whole day.
No, I'll be right.
Yeah, because you don't want us to use this day, whole this day to drive.
Yeah.
Ambulance radios.
Early in Africa. Wow.
Look at it now.
Far out.
Even Gambia, we don't do those stuff. Even me, son, I look at stuff. I look at stuff. I was like, wow. Even Gambia, we don't go this extreme. Gambia, when you do this, you know, it's as if the oh man. Even in Gambia, we don't do these things. Like we don't go this extreme.
Get over the tractors, man.
These tractors?
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Yeah, they park them everywhere.
Just park them anywhere.
We got them. I don't know whether it's for rent or what is it for. I don't know.
Yeah,
It might be for rent. This guy parked it there. It's never been rent, and then the mechanic will start having issues or I don't know. Maintenance is not very common.
Our map, we realized we accidentally said avoid toll. Even though they removed the tolls, we just forgot to click no tolls. We left pretty late. We left around midday, so we were in a rush to get there. Holy shit. That's gonna come out.
That's gonna follow.
Such pretty far out. Oh, the bus is gone.
The bus is gone. These rangers are looking for money.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go.
Do you remember? Do you see the trumpet is here again? Kwame Nkrumah and the
Wow.
you got a goat chilling up there, top of the car.
What?
They were saying, they saw your camera, they're smiling for your camera. No. You? Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry. I'll take you guys out.
It's the touristy road.
Yeah, it is a
They're over
tourist
here.
road. Yeah. The cars goes out. Those buses, they take a break, and and they buy water, you know. They buy water and things.
Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Hey. Wow. You good? Look at fort. Look at there's a fort up there. Wow, look at that fort up there. It's called Fort Amsterdam. Wow, look at that. Fort Amsterdam. Kuka kono ganda boy. Eh, o speed home thing or like enjoy ga nani lekeje. Chirwe no ake. Which one is it?
This town is so far.
Ah, yeah.
Town has a bit more money down here.
Because they have a tour.
No, because it's busy.
Ah, it's busy. Yeah.
And like, yeah, it's just lots. Shit.
Oh, yeah, I said the toll, they got rid of it.
Yeah.
Senegal got so many tolls still now, though, Senegal. Even new ones just put it right now.
Because it slows down traffic.
It slows down traffic.
Especially the old way of doing things.
Go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Dula, what are you saying is this? That's Zara.
But I saw the world's 10 minutes on GPS compared to Ghana's 10 minutes on GPS is different.
What do you mean?
Go kana jele hani nyumu do yan. The world's 10 minutes on the GPS and the Ghana's 10 minutes on GPS. I think Ghana's GPS count the potholes in there. I think it counts the potholes. Bro, I swear, bro, this thing has been on 10 minutes since day. Wow. Yeah.
Here we go, baby.
Do you remember when I said 28 minutes? When? You didn't even forget, it's a long time. Wow.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally